Hey y'all, welcome back to another TC Backer full home renovation. Today we have our Tando 3D composite representative, Taylor, here with us. He's going to tell you a little bit about the product and what we have going on here.
Thanks, Micah. It's good to be here with TC Backer. So what we have going on here is we have the early stages of the project. They'll be putting our authentic beach house shake on the accent wall and also up in the dormers as well. This is really the most authentic composite shingle that we have that's realistic to real cedar. Everybody loves real cedar, but we know that over time it ages, it cracks, it looks horrible over time. So we have now is we have an authentic composite shingle that'll keep the color. It has a 20-year color retention warranty, and it'll keep that color for the life of the home.
Right here on the front porch, we're replacing all these posts with rough cut cedar posts, 6x6s on the front here, and then on that wall directly behind there, we're gonna have that Pacifica Beach House shake. It's gonna be beautiful. You folks aren't gonna wanna miss this one.
TC Backer, TC Backer.